Look at her eyelashes, Mom.
I know, I noticed.
Yeah, they're long and thick.
She won't fall, will she?
Well, if she does, it won't be the first or the last time.
Come on, this thing is
Oh, no,
twisted.
she can't hit her. She fell off that.
Or kick your little leg out like it. Go.
Mom, you have gold-toed socks. Are those Dad's or yours?
No, they're mine.
Oh, okay.
Oh, wow.
Don't fall.
Here's little sheepy. Man.
Here's Lammy.
Man.
Oh, it's
There's
cold.
Lammy.
Yeah, it's cold.
Yeah, that guy's dead.
There's Lammy.
Woo! Uh-oh.
Yeah, right around 7:30. The last couple of times she wants to go home.
Yeah?
She wants to go night-night.
Yeah, but still,
1, 2, 3.
her surroundings are different.
Yeah, yeah.